Hey guys, how's it going? This is Alex from Beyond RV. Now, as you know, we've done heaps of truck and Unimog campers in the past, these fully finished builds. Very expensive, very high end, but did you know we also do a DIY empty Unimog or truck camper box as well? We've been getting a lot of inquiries for these empty DIY camping boxes to be made. I figured today is a great chance for me to do a bit of a walkthrough video for you guys. Now, like we've done heaps of these empty camping boxes in the past for people to DIY and fit out themselves, but honestly, this is the first time that we have a chance to record a video. So before we hand over this one, I'll give you guys a quick video walkthrough and tell you exactly how you can order one yourself, what the design process is like, and then we'll talk about the specifications and features that we've included in this specific camping box, guys. So yeah, here at Beyond, guys, we're happy to design and build whatever you guys really think of. So yeah, let's get into it and we'll talk about the ordering process for a camping box like this. Alright guys, a bit of background information on how you're able to order one of these DIY camping boxes for yourself, yeah? So you let us know what type of vehicle you have, whether you have a single cab truck, a dual cab truck, or maybe you've got a Unimog that you want to put a box on. We're happy to design the base, the height, and all the dimensions of this camping box to suit your vehicle. Whether you want a hard top or pop top, we're happy to do so for you to provide you a very nice professional foundation for you to complete your build or layout with. You can tell us you want us to install the entry door, the windows, the external storage hatches, how many LEDs you want. We can do like a shower toilet unit already installed for you. If you want furniture done, we can do that for you as well. It's completely up to you guys. Come see us, bring your vehicle in, let's take some measurements, let us know exactly what you want. We'll draw up some drawings and we'll provide a spec sheet, and once everything looks good, guys, we'll build it for you. And of course, just like this one over here, we'll mount it professionally to your vehicle, so when you get here and you're ready, you can just drive straight away without anything to worry about. Alright guys, before we get into anything else, let's talk about the weights, dimensions, just the overall sizing of this camper box that we've done. This camper box comes in at roughly 700 kilos dry without any furniture, water tanks, batteries installed. So as you can see, we've fitted this one onto a Unimog. She's an absolute beast. The base dimensions of this camper box is 4 meters in length, 2.4 meters wide to suit the wider tray of a Unimog, and we've also got a 600mm departure angle at the back, you know, the maximum legal length that you can carry on these trucks. And as you can see, this customer over here has gone with a electric pop-top configuration. They wanted an enclosed height of 1.6 meters, which you can see we've achieved. And when the electric pop-top roof is fully open, you have a maximum height of 2.1 meters. Yeah, it's just a really great setup. And with that out the way, guys, let's get into the main specs and features of this camper box. All right, guys, let's talk a little bit about the shell construction and all the features included in this empty Unimog camping box. So, as always, guys, our construction features this 100% timber-free construction. All 4 walls are done using one-piece 30mm sandwich panel construction with a high-density PET core frame around the outskirts. That provides very good structural integrity, heaps of structural strength, allowing you to screw and glue these panels together. And as you can see, all our leg brackets are fitted onto this high-density PET core framework, which provides it the needed strength for the legs and brackets to handle the weight of this camper. When it comes to features, you can see that we've installed the entry door, 2 windows each side as per our customer's request. These are all double glazed camping windows. You know, you have your fly screen, you have your privacy screen, they've got gas struts, the whole lot. It's a professional finish. Our external storage hatch features the same great triple rubber seal as seen on all our premium products. These external storage hatches can be made to any shape and size. It's a fully custom process. So no matter what design, what layout you've got in mind, we can build it to suit your needs. Apart from that, guys, we've also included external LEDs on all 3 sides of this camping box. You know, of course, we have our fully electric pop-top roof mechanism. It's very heavy duty, and super reliable, guys. You know, you can see that we've got one mounting plate on each corner of this camper box fitted to this Unimog tray. This way we can make sure that everything's professionally fitted. You don't need to worry about how you're going to mount it. We've already done the hard work for you guys. Apart from that, in this camping box specifically, we've already built the shower toilet unit complete with a stainless steel shower tray and the cassette toilet already installed. All the wiring, the solar wiring, the 240 volt wiring for the aircon, our skylight, our LEDs, the two-way exhaust fan, all that has been roughed in so that you don't need to, you know, worry about all that. And with all the ceiling wiring already complete, guys, we've sealed up the roof, we've waterproofed it, so you know you're getting a fully airtight, professionally made camping box. It's a great foundation for you guys to finish off your DIY build and get you guys started with your own DIY build. So yeah, guys, with all our walls being made out of this one-piece sandwich panel construction, our roof is made using a 50mm one-piece aluminium frame with XPS high-density foam for insulation and one single layer of fiberglass skin at the bottom. That's all been vacuum bonded together. We leave the ceiling open until we've done all the electrical rough-ins. Once all the wiring has been done on the roof, then we seal it up professionally, we waterproof it, just like that, it's complete. When it comes to our flooring, we use a 50mm one-piece aluminium subframe with a 25mm thick honeycomb composite flooring glued on top of that. And of course, we have our flooring vinyl laid out on top of the honeycomb composite flooring. So that it just provides a really nice finish. You know, it looks the same as all our other, you know, camping boxes and all that kind of jazz. So you know you're getting a very professional start to your DIY build, guys. So all that's been done. If you're interested in getting one of these DIY camping boxes done for yourself, feel free to pay us a visit anytime. Bring your vehicle in, we'll take some measurements. We can talk about what sort of layout you want, what sort of design you want, how many windows, entry door, hatches, all that kind of stuff. We can get you guys started right away. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let us know if you need anything. Thanks, guys.